Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest product reviews.
Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor adventure with what we believe is the best 60L backpack on the market,
the Bseash waterproof hiking camping backpack. This backpack is a game changer for travelers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. With its durable construction, ample storage space, and thoughtful design, it's no wonder why it's making waves in the outdoor community.
Let's talk about what sets this backpack apart from the rest. First off, its 60-liter capacity provides plenty of room for all your gear.
Whether you're embarking on a weekend camping trip or a multi-day hike.
Inside, you'll find a spacious main compartment along with multiple pockets for organizing your essentials. Plus, there's a separate shoe storage pouch to keep your footwear separate from your clean clothes, a feature that's as practical as it is convenient.
Comfort is key when it comes to long days on the trail, and this backpack delivers.
The ergonomic padded shoulder straps and back support ensure that you'll stay comfortable, even during extended outings. And thanks to its lightweight design, you can carry more without feeling weighed down. But don't let its lightweight construction fool you. This backpack is built to last. Made from high-quality ripstop polyester material, it's not only water-resistant but also tear-resistant, ensuring that your gear stays protected no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. What else makes this backpack stand out? Well, how about the included rain cover?
Located in a convenient pouch at the bottom of the bag, it provides an extra layer of protection against the elements,
keeping your valuables dry even in the heaviest downpour. And let's not forget about the 8 adjustable straps, which allow you to securely tie down your gear or attach additional equipment like a sleeping bag or tripod.
It's just another example of how this backpack was designed with the needs of outdoor enthusiasts in mind.
So there you have it,
the Bseash waterproof hiking camping backpack, the best 60L backpack on the market.
Whether you're trekking through the wilderness or exploring a new city,
this backpack has got you covered.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews just like this one.
Until next time, happy adventuring!